What if I told you that with just your phone and Instagram account and a single digital file, you could start a business that pays you again and again, even while you sleep? No shipping, no inventory, no customer service headaches. That's exactly what I'm about to share with you. The Instagram flip formula. And here's the best part. You don't even have to create a product yourself. You can grab the exact ebook I'm talking about from the link below this video, and when you do, you'll also own the resale rights. That means you can flip it for 100% profit over and over. Instagram is no longer just a photo sharing app. It's a digital marketplace with billions of active users. Unlike Amazon or eBay where you're buried under competition, Instagram rewards creativity. A single reel can go viral overnight and reach thousands of people you've never met. That's why it's perfect for flipping digital products. Unlimited supply, zero extra costs, and nearly 100% profit margins. Step 1. Download and own it. When you grab this ebook, you're not just buying information, you're buying an asset. Think of it like sneakers or concert tickets. People flip those all the time, but digital products never run out. The second you download this ebook, you own something you can resell endlessly. Step 2. Set up your store. To sell, you'll need a storefront. That's where PayHip comes in. It's free, fast, and built for digital products. You upload your ebook once, set your price, and PayHip delivers it automatically every time someone buys. Money goes straight to your PayPal or Stripe account. Step 3. Upload and price for profit. Once your store is live, upload the ebook with a clean title, professional cover, and short description. Pricing sweet spot between $9.95 and $19.95. That way it feels affordable but valuable. Just 10 sales at $14.95 is almost $150. 100 sales at $19.95, nearly $2,000. Step 4. Build your Instagram page. Your Instagram profile is your storefront window. Use a clear username, a bio that tells people what you offer, and a professional profile pic. Pin 3 posts, one introducing your ebook, one motivational post, and one proof post. Post reels daily with a simple formula: hook, value, and call to action leading to your bio link. Step 5. Turn traffic into sales. Views don't pay bills, sales do. That's why you use your bio link, stories, and DMs. Keep your PayHip link in your bio. Use polls and stories like, would you spend $10 to make $100? And follow up in the DMs. Most sales happen in personal conversations, so treat DMs as your closing room. Step 6. Scale and grow. Once you've got traction, it's time to scale. Use hashtags strategically, boost your best reels with $5 to $10 ads, and partner with micro-influencers for shoutouts or collabs. You can also repurpose your reels on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook for even more exposure. Here's the real power. You're not just selling an ebook, you're selling resale rights. Every buyer becomes a potential seller. That creates a ripple effect where your product keeps spreading. No royalties, no limits, just unlimited growth potential. So let's recap. You download the ebook, upload it to PayHip, price it, optimize your Instagram page, post viral reels, convert through stories and DMs, and then scale with ads, collabs, and hashtags, all while keeping nearly 100% profit. If you're ready to flip the script and turn Instagram into your storefront, click the link below right now. Grab your copy of the Instagram flip formula, and remember, you're not just buying an ebook, you're buying a business you can resell forever. The only question is, are you ready to sell your first copy today?